Hey, thanks for joining. Today we're talking about how to save more on clothing. Clothing is one of those necessities that takes up space in our budgets, not to mention our closets. And with some intentionality, we can save in this category for ourselves and our family. We'll talk about how in this episode today. Continuing with some international presence from our pet guests. Joining me for this episode today are Arno and Lili from Budapest, Hungary. Thank you for joining me, or Köszönöm. Some friendly cat versus dog playtime there. Lili's the cat, Arno's the dog. According to Credit Donkey, the average family of four in the US spends $2,440 on clothing per year, or about $200 per month. This, of course, depends on the ages of the kids, as spending on those teenagers is more expensive typically. In addition to this monthly cost of clothing, many of us have clothes in the back of our closet or the bottom of our drawer that we don't even wear. Take some time to go through your closets and drawers to take inventory and identify clothes you no longer wear or have no interest in wearing. I'm willing to bet that if you pause this video and took a few minutes to really look over your closets and drawers, you'd find plenty of clothes you simply never wear. You can either donate these or bring them to a consignment shop to see if they will buy them from you. A little spring cleaning and cash in your pocket, what's not to like there? I think they might have been arguing over which shoes to donate or just playing. Hard to tell there. Shopping at thrift stores or consignment shops provides a great opportunity to save money on clothing. One locally for us in southern New Hampshire that we like is Plato's Closet. There are several others in the area, and I'm sure you can find some local to you. If there are no good local consignment options for you, there are some online options as well. ThredUp and PoshMark are a few popular ones. According to needhelppayingbills.com, only about 15% of Americans currently save money by shopping at local thrift stores. And the average savings on products compared to with major retailers tends to range from 50% to 80% savings. That is a real opportunity to save. You save money, and it's good for the environment as well, since you are reducing, reusing, and or recycling. And there is quality, stylish clothing at many of these thrift stores and consignment shops. So in most cases, you're not sacrificing as far as quality and style for your clothing either. Moving forward, try to be intentional and only buy what you will wear. And wear what you buy. Don't let it collect dust in the back of your closet or sit in the bottom of your drawer not to be seen. So let's look at some savings numbers. As noted earlier, the average family of four in the US spends $200 per month on clothing. If we assume they can cut this in half by doing some or all of their clothing shopping at thrift stores and consignment shops, that is a savings of $100 per month or $1,200 per year. If you were to invest this savings at 8% annual growth over the course of 25 years, this would grow to $95,103. A little savings can go a long way given time and compounding. Thanks for joining me today, Arno and Lili. Or should I say, egészségedre, or to your health. That doesn't look too good for Lili's health there. I hope you learned something that you can take action on today. Bring some intentionality to your closets and your spending on clothing. If you like the content, please hit the red subscribe button and the thumbs up like button. If you know someone who could benefit from the content, please share. Take care.